Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. There's a lot happening in the atmosphere above us right now, but regardless of all the technical details, the forecast for the rest of this week is quite simple. It's either not going to rain very much or it's not going to rain at all. A top of 31 degrees in Cairns today, nice and toasty with humidity 47% this afternoon. Most other stations in the local area roughly followed suit. Let's look at the satellite loop now. It's a clear day across most of Queensland, but there's a lot of rain to the west of us from a slow-moving system that might eventually affect us. It'll take some time. It's producing a lot of rain through Central Australia and Victoria and southern New South Wales, and some of that rain will in the next couple of days enter southwest Queensland, where it's very much needed. But in the eastern half, where most of us live, I'm afraid there's not going to be much at all. Let's have a look at today's chart now. There's this slow-moving trough. Remember, there's an upper system on top of it, so it's a three-dimensional system. It's connected to a cold front. On the coast, we've still got east to southeasterly winds, so conditions are generally mild, but the winds are too light for any lifting up the ranges or any significant shower activity. A few falls, though, over the Ungala Range just west of Mackay overnight. On tomorrow's chart, slow-moving system, as I said. The trough, in fact, almost stationary, so it's a repeat of today. But on the outlook chart, finally that trough starts to get mobile. Inland winds will start to go northerly, and so in the south we'll start to get higher temperatures. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, southeast to east winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots on Thursday, and straight southeast between 10 and 20 for Friday. The next high tide's due tomorrow between late morning and lunchtime, depending exactly where you're heading. A fairly wide tidal range, though slowly narrowing. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, a partly cloudy day with a 50% chance of showers. Better than nothing, I suppose. 29 degrees for Cairns, 25 at Atherton, 27 for Innisfail and Mareeba 28. Looking ahead for Cairns, top temperatures sitting steady around 30 degrees for the 7-day period. A slight increase in the likelihood of showers from Sunday into early next week. For Atherton, much the same as Cairns. Remember, even if the chance of rain looks relatively high, the falls will be close to 0 mils. If you take a long, hard look at this photo, you'll eventually see a cloud giving birth not to a shower, but to a rainbow. How does this happen? Raindrops disperse the spectral colours in our direction only when sunlight arrives from just the right angle. Taken by Bruce Pearson near Maryborough on the 4th of October. Looking east, now it's back to the team.
Lovely. Thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Just a reminder, if you'd like to watch our news again, you can catch it on 7+. We'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.